Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a easy step-by-step guide on how to change Robinhood password. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the easiest and the quickest way for you to be able to change your Robinhood password is to open the Robinhood app itself. Then after that you have to tap the account, which is the person icon in the bottom right corner. Then go to settings, select security and privacy. Then under that you have to tap change password. Enter your current password, which is your recent password that you used to log in. Then enter your new password, which must meet the security requirement. So confirm it by typing again. Then tap save to update your password. And if it is on desktop, log into your Robinhood account using robinhood.com website. Then go to the account, then click settings, then click security, then click change password. Then follow the same step as you have it on the mobile app. And that's how you can easily change your Robinhood password. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.